Good evening, everyone. I congrats you finally thinking all are part of our family, and finally also Mr. and Mrs. In the presence of your mother, Jocelyn Paguyo, I take the place, and this message goes to my dearest nephew Connor and wonderful Christine. Standing here today, it's hard to put into words an overwhelming pride I feel. Connor, I've watched you grow from a spirited, curious man in the incredible, strong man you are today. Watching you take this step is like seeing a beautiful blueprint finally come to life in the most stunning way possible. You have always had the way to know exactly what you wanted. And seeing you stand next to Christine today, it's clear you found exactly what you need. Christine, I want to officially welcome to the family. Always. We are a lot, we're loud, we're passionate, and we probably have the many opinions, but we love fiercely. By marrying Connor, we haven't just signed up to spouse. You've signed up of the lifetime of family gatherings and never quite end on time. Thank you for being the person who makes her laugh the loudest and for being steady and she can always rely on. Now, for a bit of Auntie and Uncle advice on the reality of marriage. Connor, remember that being right is great, but being happy is better, though knowing you'll probably find a way to be both. And Christine, a pro tip when Connor says she's fine, it's usually a trap. Just bring snacks and wait for the storm to pass. Marriage is a lot of life, a long-term project. There will be a days when foundation feels rock solid and days when you realize you forgot to check the plumbing. There will be disagreements over things as small as which made the toilet paper roll should face, and decisions as big as where the next adventure will take you. But the secret, is in having perfect plan. It's in having partner who is willing to pick up the tools and keep building with you both, no matter what. Lastly, may your life together be a masterful share, dreams, late night conversations, and a love to remainings. Under warranty forever, I hope you always find reasons to choose each other every single morning, even before the coffee has kicked in. To a lifetime of happiness, health, and enough laughter to give and never wondering what's so happy or funny. Naragsak akasal kada kayo. Congrats to both, and welcome to the family, Christine, and more babies to come. Congrats.
Thank you, Tita Mel. Down to our last two wishers po. May dalawa pa po.